Hi, welcome to our tutorial today. My name is River Wolfston. I'm the counselor here in Canyons Online. I want to include we're going to try to draw one of my favorite characters from a Netflix fantasy show called The Dragon Prince. So some of you may have seen The Dragon Prince. I'm going to draw one of my favorite characters. If you've seen the show, then you might be familiar with this character. If not, then this will be your introduction to them. Okay, I'm just kind of getting some general ideas of where arms go and parts of their uniform. Okay. Kind of come around like this. Alright. Okay, now I'm gonna fill in a little bit. Okay, this character wears kind of a flexible armor suit. Okay, so that's what the shoulder piece looks like there. And then we'll that. The fun thing about the Dragon Prince characters is they all have such a unique uniform or a unique way of dressing. Some of you may already have picked up on which character this is if you're familiar with the show. If not, that's okay too. And I've practiced this character several times in this and in some other drawing apps. I decided to go with this explain everything just because I'm a little bit out of practice using the Adobe Illustrator and some of the other programs that I use. So this one's kind of like a mix between Adobe and so simpler than Adobe and a little bit more capable than like Jamboard. Jamboard is also, that's a free one that we've all got access to through our Canyons District email. Okay, there's kind of a cravat type situation here, like that. Okay, and then this character's neck comes up right here. I think I've got a lot of the main features there. This character has a bit of armor that's going to come like that. It's kind of that. And then they're gonna kind of mirror this right side on the left side there. Okay, then that like this, and then like this, and then like that. In fact, my family and I, last night we watched The Dragon Prince. It's kind of one of our new little traditions or routines that we've gotten into. Okay, I'm going to use some eraser now to tidy up some of my not so comfortable or confident about the little parts of the plate here. Okay, and then we'll take some more of the armor on this side, goes down like this. Kind of mirror it on the other side. Okay. Now I'm going to try to tidy up some of it. Again, I'm probably not gonna get any offers from Netflix to come and work on the show. But we don't need perfection. We're just enjoying. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little bit of coloring in. Can't remember how all of my coloring works on this app, so we'll see if it'll let me darken. Hoping it'll let me darken and give some other textures and stuff. If not, that's okay. Nope, it doesn't. I guess that's one of the benefits of the Jamboard is the Jamboard will darken my colors as I go back over them. So, and my color palette's a little bit limited. So for those of you who are fans of the show, you'll understand that this character's armor is not entirely the colors that I'm making. That's one of the reasons why I kind of put off doing the tutorial. I wanted to do it last week. I've been trying to master my Adobe Illustrator because it gives me more of a color palette. So any of you, and I'm sure that there are many of you who are quite a bit more used to drawing than I am, or quite a bit in better practice, you'll know that it's really a poor idea to do kind of like I do, where I just dive right in and draw the completed character, the completed thing. Most artists will have a process where they'll like sketch in, you know, general shapes. You'll notice I don't do that. So I guess maybe I shouldn't be calling myself an art tutorial. Maybe it should be like a what not to do. I don't know, that's kind of the wrong color. I don't like that. Take those colors off. I just want you to imagine if this were kind of a two-tone. Well, I guess there you go. It darkened. So I'm gonna try to darken a little bit. Figure out how to do that. If it did it once, it'll do it again. I'm not going to spend too much time trying to get it exactly right. Okay. Then I'm going to put... I think I need to switch back over to my pen. Yep. Switching back over to my pen. Gotta get maybe some facial features of the character. Okay. Then this is where the defining characteristics start coming in. So you'll be able to tell who it is pretty darn quick if you watch the show. And I mean, I guess if you looked at the name of the tutorial, I'm gonna take that nostril off. There we go. Okay, and then see if I can get the eyes right. Eyes are always a very important part of a character. It's where I wish I had purple in this color palette, because this character's purple eyes are like one of her biggest features, one of the most noticeable defining features. She's also got this kind of eye makeup I don't know if they're tattoos or if they're eye makeup or if they're, I don't know what they are, but they're on there because she is a moon shadow elf. Moon shadow elf, so you'll notice if you watch the show that this is Rayla. She's the character that I would identify as in the show. If I could be in the Dragon Prince, I would want to be Rayla. I guess I'll have to make the eyes blue, knowing that in real life they're, well, I mean not real life, but in the show, they're not blue in the show there. Purple. Okay, I'm gonna put, oh, erase that. I goofed on my color there. And this is my first attempt at drawing this picture, so, no it's not. It's my first attempt getting this far at drawing the character, let's just say that much. Normally, like my other attempts, I started up here at the hair, because the hair can be kind of more forgiving. Oh, Moonshadow elves have horns, in case you don't know. Really, all of the elves in the Dragon Prince have horns. So whether they're the light elves or whether they are the Moonshadow or Earth elves, they've all got horns, and they've all got pointy elf ears, of course. They also only have 4 fingers, which is interesting. But doesn't seem to stop them at all. They are all pretty capable warriors and friends, and I'm sure if those of you who watch the show already know and can think of some examples of some really awesome elves. I'm gonna go ahead, I gotta try to clean up some of this. Come on, you. There you go. Clean up some of her hair. Oh. That's odd. It's not let me. Huh. Not let me clean that up. Oh well. I guess you have a limited amount of time to clean up your mistakes on this app. I guess it's not really for drawing. It's more for doing like classroom tutorials or for writing equations and such stuff like that. I'm gonna try. Oh yeah, it lets me do this side. Okay, and then there we go. See, you just have to be patient, I guess. I'm gonna get my pen again. Okay, so that is more or less Rayla, Dragon Prince. Oh, it's not gonna let me do it. That is a little bit frustrating. Well, limitations. Okay, so I'm gonna color in some of her armor now. Of course, knowing that this would all be darker tones, like her armor is black right here. I don't know if I'm going to consistently be able to get the black, but yeah, I don't know where I developed the ability to copy what I see, but I'm better at copying what I see than I am at drawing original pieces. I've always kind of seen that as a not a positive. I don't want to be considered a cheater artist. I don't think it's going to let me do some of the shading there that I want. Oh, I forgot her eyebrows. Rayla is one of those ladies that has very expressive eyebrows. So we're gonna... yeah, good enough. She is not a child of the 90s. She did not overpluck her eyebrows. Your parents will understand that. They'll think that's a really funny joke. Oops. There you go. And up we go. She's got her hair's actually pretty. It's a lot more white than this, but just for the sake of the tutorial and showing up on the video. I mean, she is a moon shadow elf, and so her hair is actually white. But my reference material, it's making it kind of a... I mean, it would be lighter than that, but... Sorry I'm whining so much. Let's see. Her horns are a darker color. They're kind of a brown. So I'm going to see if I can combine colors and make... no, that's not going to combine. This is an unsuccessful attempt. Sorry, Rayla. Okay. Anyway, that is an attempt. Oh, I'm gotta tidy up her neck just a little bit. Okay. There we go. Okay, well that is a quick, well not so quick, that's about a 20-minute tutorial on Rayla from the Dragon Prince. Enjoy. The more times you practice, the better you'll get.